guys, Sally here. I'm the drone girl, and today I am here to tell you about the #1 drone accessory that completely changed my life. But before we do that, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret, and you have to promise not to tell anybody. Okay, you guys are getting a rare glimpse at Drone Girl's closet, and I am ashamed to show you how messy this is. Here's some of my current hard drives, the memory cards, phone charger. You know, I am so ashamed. Let's end this promptly. Okay guys, so that accessory I told you about, I promised it was a life changer. It is the My Passport Wireless SSD by WD. So this is exactly what it looks like. I'm not gonna tell you any more about it in here though, because this thing actually really shines outside. Let's take it outside. I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. So I just took my drone for a spin in my backyard. Now typically if I was flying a drone and I really needed that footage, then I would lug my laptop out with me. I would instantly upload my card to my laptop just to ensure I have it, in case I'm afraid of a flyaway, or maybe just my card is full and I want to clear my card. I really want to ensure I have that footage. Now, instead of lugging my whole laptop with me, I've got this. So I simply just pop my memory card in here and I have the footage all ready to go. Now the crazy thing is that this whole process is so fast. The app is able to talk to the hard drive, and I'm actually instantly looking at the photo files right here, the video files in this case. And it's so crazy. I instantly have this footage on here. Now this is great for so many reasons. Maybe you're a filmmaker and you want to make sure you didn't have any frames dropped. Maybe you want to make sure that there's no propellers caught in your shot, just to make sure you got that perfect take. Maybe you just want to have your files instantly on your phone to upload to Instagram or Facebook right away. So you're probably wondering about battery life of this thing. It can last up to 10 hours. Now it also has some other really cool features. One of the things I love is that this has a USB port, both so you can charge it through your computer, although you can charge it through a traditional wall socket, but also this USB port doubles as a phone charger. I cannot tell you how many times I've been out in the field and been not able to fly my drone because my phone battery is dead. Now I can actually charge my phone battery directly through here. Okay, so the last crazy thing about this is you might have noticed this bumper. So this is actually a silicone bumper designed to make this thing super durable. Now WD claims that you can drop this from a meter while still running and it'll be completely safe. I am so afraid to do this. I don't want to drop electronics. Do we do it? Okay, are we gonna do it? Oh my god. Alright. It's fine. It's fine. I checked. Everything is fine. And it's not just the bumper that contributes to why this thing is drop-proof. The solid-state interior is another big contributor to why this is so durable. This solid-state drive is shock-proof and vibration-proof. So I can't say enough good things about this. The question is it a good thing for you? Now, I think the biggest limiting factor here is the price point. If you're just gonna be using this like a regular external hard drive, then you probably don't need to pay this much for something so high-tech. However, if you are a serious drone pilot, you need to ensure you have your footage backed up immediately. You don't want to be lugging your laptop around with you in the field, but you still want to have that footage in an external hard drive immediately after the flight. I cannot say enough good things about this. Adding on the other factors, how speedy this thing is totally amazing. I love that you can upload your footage to here on the fly, so you can go out there and do the thing that you actually wanted to do, to go fly. Now with that said, happy flying.